Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, high thigh, raise your hands up, thigh chai, left hand down, right hand over your head. On right hand curve your left ankle. Stay here, another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One more time. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, thigh chai, left hand back side. And right hand grab your left ankle. Stay there. Try to focus on your stretching. Thang chung. Thang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Inhale. Thigh 5. Right hand back side. Left hand wall the way up. Hip up. Try to feel the stretching. Try to relax on your hips. Smooth. High. Ba. Bun. Nam. Relax. Very good job. Just change your side. Doichin. Same. Fold your left foot. Okay, one more time. Inhale. Come to Janusarasana. Exhale. Come to forward. Yes. Good job. Stay here another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale. Thigh 5 sung. Thigh chai. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Inhale up. Exhale. Right hand back side. Thigh 5 back. Thigh chai sung. Dao sung. Mut. High. Ba. Bunam. Hit bow. Lane. High thigh lane. Sim. Thigh chai. Left hand back side. Right hand all the way up. Hip up. Feel the stretching. Try to open your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Relax. Come to butterfly. Feet together. Bunbai. Yeah. Bunbai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, raise your hands up. High thigh in. Exhale, down. High thigh swung, down zoom. Hit bow, high thigh in. Up. Exhale, down, down zoom. Hit bow, high thigh, back side. High thigh zoom, mamlin. Hip up. Hip up, nice. Ta, mam sung. High thigh, back side, interlock your finger. High thigh lane, down sung. Very good job. One more time. Hit bow, high thigh, back side. All the way up, hip up, stay there. Mud. High. Ba. Bun. Nam. Thở ra. Mam swang. High thigh, back side, high thigh lane, down sung. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center, relax. Right leg, chang 5, outside. Chang chai, gap chai. Yeah. High thigh, side of the body. Hit bow, thao ra. Thigh chai, left hand over the head. And left hand grab your right ankle. Stay here, another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. High thigh, back side, interlock your finger. Hit bow, high thigh, lean, down swung. Yeah, nice. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. High thigh, side of the body. Thigh chai, sung. Thigh 5. Yes, catch chang 5 and thang chang. Beautiful. Thang, mut, hai, ba, bunnam, tai chai, thang tai. Now left hand catch your right ankle, tai phai, chang chai. Yes. Good job. Tai phai, chang chai. 1. Cross hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Same, change your side. The left hand, left leg to the left side, fold your right feet. Again, same, hit bow, thauda, sung. Change your side. Yeah, that's great. Stay here, another 5 count. Feel the stretching. Try to close your eyes. Yamaklai. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Hai tai back side. Interlock your finger. Hai tai lean. Dao swung. Exhale. Come front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. Same, hit bow, tai phai, right hand down, and left hand grab your left ankles. Try to knee straight. As much as possible, you can push your body to the right side. Now, tai phai, thang tai. Tai phai, catch your left ankle. Tai phai, chang chai, tai chai, tai chai, chang phai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Sit down. Bend 5, bend chai, 5, chai, 5, chai. Just one step open. Hai chin. Hai tai len. Tai phai, back side. Tai chai, len, mam len. That's good, nice. Thauda, mam sung. Hai tai, sung, dao sung. Hit bow, len. Change your side, doi tai. Tai chai, tai phai. Yeah. Thauda, mam sung. Hai tai sung, dao sung. Very good job. One more time, hit bow, right hand, tai phai, back side. Tai chai len, mam len. Good job. Stay here. Thauda, mam sung, hai tai sung. Come front, dao swung. One more time. Inhale on the left hand back side and right hand over your head. As much as possible, we can raise your hip. Exhale. Come down. Hai tai swung. Dao swung. Good job. And the last one, hit bow, tai phai, right hand back side. Tai chai, len. And stay here another 5 count. You have to control your mind. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Nice. Come on. Hip down. Thauda. Exhale. Come front. Hai tai sung. The last one, hit bow, tai chai. Left hand back side. Up, up, len. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Come down. Follow me. Hai tai. Under the thigh, thang tai, thang chang, come sung, chin down. Yes, that's great. Very good. You are looking more beautiful. Feel the stretching, everybody. Come on, try. Slowly, slowly. Cham cham. Mut. Hai. Ba. Bun. And nam. Relax. Legs together. Thang chang. Sit. Hit bow. Hai tai len. Thauda. Hai tai sung. Dao sung. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Okay, come to Vajrasana. Cross feet. Sit over your feet. Nice. Stay here. Same like me. high thigh, side of the body, thigh 5, sung, thigh chai over your head, hip bow, center, thaura, change your side, hip bow, center, thaura, bend 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit bow, thaura, bend chai, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come center, cow pose, cat to cow, okay? One step open your leg, your feet, your palms, and your knee should be straight, one line. Hit bow, Dowlen Makleni lane. Thaura, suck your stomach. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up, look up, chin up, hold the breath. Stay here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Mud, high, ba, boon, very good job. Come center, hit bow, chung, fai, lin, right leg up. Left hand, tai chai, back side. Left hand grab your right ankle, chung fai, lin, thang chung, thang, stay here, 1, very good, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, tutu, tai chai, sung, chung fai, back side, tai fai, lin, hip up, very good, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax, very good. Sam doichan, change your side. Hit bow, chung chai, lin first. Tai fai, right hand back side, right hand grab your left ankle. Yeah, that's it. Line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right hand down, left hand over your head. Yes, that's great. Mud, high, ba, bunnam. Come center. Stand over your feet. Now come to camel pose, Usthasana. One by one, high thigh, back side. If you cannot, you can take support on your back. If you can, then go to full camel pose. Very good. Stay here another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hip down, mum sung. High thigh, back side, interlock your finger. High thigh, lean, down swung. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax.